This climate and pollution in our country is getting very worse day by day. Because of the war, some of the jungles are destroyed by government because most of the time warriors are hiding themselves behind the trees. Due to severity of the cold, lots of the trees were cut off. Most of people do not have better economical resources. They are cutting the jungle for firewood, and people are using not only woods but also coal and also plastic, rubber. It has created a lot of pollution in the environment. Most of people have got respiratory problem. Large number of people were sick, especially children and women. That's why WILPF Afghanistan is also working with men, women and youth to promote culture of peace, not only in their personal social life, but also for their environment. Afghanistan has very beautiful trees. Last year we cultivated more than 10,000 trees, and young girls were looking after the trees for watering the trees, and female teachers were giving us report for growth of the trees. And hopefully in next 2 years these trees will bring fruit. At least at the moment they are contributing to our oxygen in a way or other way. We had different discussion with local community about the usage of coal and plastic, and usually we are using tanur. Tanur, like it's a big hole that in which we put fire and which we cook. It is done by women, and then their health is also very badly impacted. So we were also communicating with women about the usage of proper resources in their tanur. Unfortunately, I wish those money which is spent in war, it was spent on development of the country. It could have been very, very different situation. So women can be playing very major role for promoting feminist approach of environmental justice. We are hopeful for future, and we are hopeful for a better future for our children and for next generation of our country.